Hello and welcome to this episode of Learning Unity, Short and Simple. So, you have a game object and you want to be able to move it with the arrow keys. No problem. Let's create a script. And attach it to the game object you want to move. And open up Visual Studio. With Visual Studio opened, let's first get rid of the stuff we will not be needing. What we do need are two variables. One for the speed of the movement. And a second one that contains the position. Let's create a serialized float and call it speed. And let's create a private vector3 variable called current position. This should do the trick. Next, we create a new method called movement. So, public void movement and do not forget the brackets. And inside of the update method we call our newly created method. Now for the real magic. If opening bracket input.getKey and another opening bracket keycode.arrowKey up and add two closing brackets. Current position.z plus equals speed multiplied by time.delta time. This enables movement into the z direction. Let's copy this line of code 3 times. And we replace an up arrow with a down arrow. We replace the next up arrow with a right arrow. And finally replace the last up arrow with a left arrow. For the down arrow we change the code to minus equals. For the right arrow we adjust the current position to change over X instead of Z. And for the left arrow we replace the position to change over X. And we change the code to minus equals. All that remains is to update its position to the current position. Let's compile the script and return to Unity. Our mission is complete. We are now moving the object with the up, down, left and right arrow keys. Take care and until next time.